Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing another unboxing video. If you haven't watched my last video on the Radiant ADAC lower unboxing, then go watch that video real quick before you come to this one. Today we are going to be unboxing a Geissele SDE trigger. So we have the trigger here out of the packaging. As you see right here, this is your trigger piece. This is the hammer. You have some grease. You have this pin to, I believe this is to use it to push this one out during the installation process. And then you have an installation guide. So the main reason I chose the SDE instead of the AE, if I recall correctly. Personally, I prefer the flat-facing triggers. Like I said before on my SIG videos, I've always loved those flat-facing triggers over the curved trigger. It just fits me a little bit better. But also, because I'm building an AR-15, now I can pick and choose whatever parts I want, so I wanted to go with something new, different, but something that I also prefer. So that's basically it. Build quality looks really good. I'm super excited to install this into the low receiver, and we'll do an install video soon. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.